Hello. So today in this video we are going to write a polyfill for map method. Means we are going to write our custom map method. So uh, we know that there is a map method in array which runs a callback for every element. Like there is a array which element with element 1 2 3, and there is a callback function which take element as argument and multiply that every element by 2. So in double we are going to get something like uh, 2 4 comma 6. So now we want to write our own custom method, my map method. So in JavaScript everything is object. So this array is an object, and there's a property called prototype. Every object has a property called prototype, and we can define our custom functions here. Like in this case we are going to name it my map, and this is going to be a function, and that function is going to take callback. So here we can see that my map is a function, and this takes a callback. So suppose we are going to call this function my map here, and we are going to pass this callback. So how do we access this array here? How do we access this array or element of this array here? So we can get this array, this keyword. So this keyword inside this function is going to point toward this array. So we know that this keyword point toward the object that is executing the function. So in this case my map function is being executed by this array. So this keyword inside the function is going to point toward the array that is executing it. So and we will need a length is going to be array dot length. And now simply we are going to run a for loop, and for less than length. Now what map does, map returns a new array same as size of the original array. So we are going to have a result array here it is going to be empty array. And now we are going to call this callback function, and callback function is going to return us some result, and we are going to store that answer to the result. So we'll push that answer here, and at last we are going to return the result. So now this callback function. So as we know that this callback, first argument to this callback is element, second is index, and third is this array itself. So similarly here first argument is going to be array dot I, second is going to be index, and third is going to be array itself. So we are done with the code. Now let's try and test this. Let's uncomment this code. So as you can see, our original array was 1 2 3, and we ran our my map method and we got the result. So let's try to run this on some strings. Yeah, so we had a string array, and we in callback we are like duplicating that string, every element of the string of the array. So we ran this my map method and passed this callback, so we got the desired answer. So the key takeaway here was that this keyword inside this function is going to point toward that array So this keyword here is going to point toward this string array, and we called the callback function for every element, and we returned the resultant array. That's all. So thank you for watching the video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.